All right, welcome to the squat session. Did not want to do this morning, like absolutely did not want to do it, did not want to participate in putting myself through the ringer, but I knew like this was an opportunity that I needed to take advantage of because this will only further my existence. Did you hear that? This will only further my existence, going to the gym even when I don't want to go, doing front squats with no belt. I don't have knee sleeves here, but they'll be on. I love this shit, man. I love going through like the panels of doubt, you know, as the things get heavier. But I know like I've done this shit before. I just have to go through the motion and eventually I'll get to where I want to get to because I've done this shit before. Now for young cats out there who are like going through the process of making gains, like failure is a part of it. In fact, what you don't know is like failure is what you want. And in failure, with recovery, adaptation, and rest, you make fucking gains. And that's one thing that I've learned over time, that when you show up to the gym, a lot of things that you learn from those sets and those reps are applicable to real life situations. Like, yeah, you failed at something, that's great. If you learned anything from that, that's a fucking win. Now, you can't always apply that to like certain features in life, but majority of the time that you have been breathing, as long as you're able to laugh shit off and learn from your mistakes and grow from it, yo, you're gonna be a genius by the time you die. And hopefully as you're gaining knowledge, you're spreading it to everybody else, because you know, smart people learn from their mistakes, wise people learn from others, and then spreading, you know, what you learn, we can all be wise one day. That's pretty much what I'm trying to get at here, is like, I want to live long enough to where I can pass on the wisdom to hopefully my granddaughters. Can't do that if I'm like ill, sick, if I can't move. So here I am front squatting as much as I can because I want to build up that bone density to live long enough to be able to give them advice and hopefully, you know, slap box with them or run with them or do something that is active. I love this life that I live. I love where I've come from. I love where I'm going. More important than anything else is I love the situations that I've been been in and have made my way out of it, because obviously I'm still alive, so it could have been that bad, or maybe it was, but I learned from it. And god damn, that's a lot of weight. A lot of weight with no belt. Look at that shit, man. High five God. High five God. Where's my high? Boom. High five God. That's what's up.